Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle HDR on your Samsung ViewFinity S6. So first of all, we're gonna have to reach for settings by going to start menu, then open it the settings here. Then in settings menu we're gonna have to go to system on the sidebar, then go to display. In display section you're gonna have to scroll down to HDR. Here you'll find it, click on it, and then simply enable HDR video streaming by switching this toggle on. Okay, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.